Great real estate agents have a way of doing things. Let's say, for example, that you get like the best house in the most amazing street. And now you've got this listing and you really want to amplify the results. Well, there's a great old school technique and it's called 10-10-20. And it's the idea about the 10 houses that side and the 10 houses that side and the 20 houses across the street. And what the whole idea is that what are we going to do to build the data to actually get all those people into the database so then we can go to build relationship to get to that point of conversion. And what we always know, isn't that the case? The moment you put a sold sticker up on a board, like 90 days, another property a couple of doors up comes on the market with a rival agency. And it's all because you didn't do the 10-10-20 to build the relationships with the neighbors that are in the house. Now, one of the greatest challenges that we've got is that what's actually happening is all of our marketing teams, what they've done is they've automated our just listed campaigns. And so what ends up happening is a DL goes out and the DL lands in the letterbox and that's kind of it. But hang on a second, whoa, there's actually a better process to this. So let's say that literally I was starting a real estate office today and I'm in a position that I get my first ever listing in an area and I know what I'm doing and I'm really going to try to build the data inside of every single campaign. You know what I'm going to do? I'm literally going to go 4 o'clock on a Thursday afternoon when mums and dads are home with kids as they come home from school. And I'm literally going to knock on every single one of those doors on the 10 houses that side, the 10 houses that side, and the 20 houses across the street. Hi there. Sorry to intrude. My name's Josh Fegan. I'm one of the local real estate agents. I just wanted to let you know that number 12 on your street has just been listed for sale. We're going to see the board go up tomorrow. And I literally wanted to invite you to the open for inspection on Saturday at 10 o'clock. If you'd love to come, we'd love to have you there. Hey, here's a quick brochure of the property. It's got a quick QR code on there so you can scan it, have a quick look at it on the website. And I'm just wondering, would it be okay if I let you know when it sells and what it makes? Now, in order to do that, what's the best mobile number so I can just quickly SMS you the result? And who should I make that to the attention of? First name there, surname. Hey, lovely to meet you today. And hopefully we'll see you on Saturday. Then what we then do is that then on Friday, we've got the DL that goes in the letterbox, but not the DL that you've been putting in because they're not working anymore. Those DLs are literally like a mini ad for the property. Oh, no. The purpose of the document is to actually get the neighbors to the home. Hi there, number 10 is going to be for sale. It's open tomorrow at 10 o'clock. We'd love to have you there. Here's the QR code to scan in. And if you want to know the sales result, just quickly SMS me your name and I'll be able to do that for you. Like really basic. And then all of a sudden, what do we do? Come Saturday morning, we get really key about this campaign. So now we SMS all those people that we've got all of the details from and say, hey, by the way, guys, we're going to be here at number 10 today at 10 o'clock. We'd love to see you there. Regards, Josh. And then we're going to be like the nightclub bouncers. We're going to have the list of all of the people that are due to turn up to that open for inspection. And all of a sudden, we get that Hannah lady turn up. Hey, Hannah, hey, lovely to see you. Hey, she's that lady at number 24. We now know that this is actually a potential seller and maybe even a potential buyer that's just turned up to open for inspection that is one of the neighbors of that particular campaign. And then what do we do? Well, you wouldn't believe it. We actually do the auction invite. And then what do we do when we actually get to the just sold? Rather than putting it all over our Instagram, we're going to hold for just a couple of minutes. We're going to pick up the phone. We're going to ring Hannah and say, hey, Hannah, it's Josh Fegan. Thought I'd give you a quick call. Number 24 has just been sold. And the reason for that is I wanted to let you know there's at made X. And hey, by the way, we've got 2 buyers that are left over. What should we do with them? And they're going to go, well, don't bring them through my place or bring them through my place or, hey, we're not selling, but we know that number 38 is because they've got a job relocation. And that's actually what great agency is about. Imagine that energy and the passion, the drive that I would have, that if I've got the best house in the street starting out, I would work the 10 houses either side and the 20 across the road, and I would build that database with those 40 neighbors and start to build incredible relationships. Why is it that we move away from the things that really work to go and chase things that don't work? Do the basics, do it well. You're going to have an incredible career, and we can't wait to see you next time.